5 trains, meanwhile, are leaving from Kerala today, and migrants have already started arriving at Thiruvananthapuram railway station to get onto the special Shramik trains, which will take them back to their home states. Kerala sent off 1,000+ migrant workers to their native states on a single-stop special train to Bhubaneswar yesterday, providing each person sufficient food and water for the 35+ hour-long journey. They're expected to do the same with migrant workers today as well. Sneha joining us with more on that. Sneha, what are we hearing?
Live. Well, we are here right now at the Thiruvananthapuram railway station, and you can see the migrant workers who are maintaining their social distance. You can see the circles that have been made here. Babu, if a camera person can pan and show the circles, and the migrant workers who are waiting at that circle. Around 1,200 such migrant workers are expected to board today and move towards their homes at Jharkhand. Collector, sir? Well, let's also try and get you the collector. Sir, we are live right now. What are the kind of measures that are being given to these migrant workers as they are going back home right now, boarding the train?
Actually, we plan them to transport in very safest manner. The train is all disinfected and it's a sleeper class train. So in the very beginning itself, we screen them, we inspect them, ensuring that there is no COVID symptoms. Then we issue the tickets, and we also issuing the food materials for next 2 meals. And
for next 2
meals. Then we are arranging a hot and fresh meals through IRCTC. So that will be delivered on wherever the train stops.
Okay, so let me get this clear. There are 2 things. One, there's food kit for 2 meals. And 2, is the state paying for the meals from the IRCTC?
Yeah, they will get a hot and fresh meals in IRCTC, maybe starting from tomorrow morning.
Okay, so there is pardon from the collector. There's going to be food.
And also to maintain their social distancing and mask necessary, we provide 3 masks actually, and also we provide soap and sanitizer to them, and also we keep sanitizing the railway station, all in the rain, all the laboratory in the rain also.
Excellent. So one question, there's lots of concerns about how will we ensure social distancing inside the train?
Okay, there is a police, around 12 police will be traveling in each train. They will be ensuring that the social distancing inside the train. And once they move into the train, the seat number is allotted. So we can very well check that the person is whether in his own seat or something else. So that is also, we learned it from yesterday's thing, and we arranged a seating number for each passenger. So and police is there, and that's how we can maximize the insurance.
Thank you so much, sir. Well, you've heard it from the collector. Let's also give you some visuals from the ground on what really it looks like right now for the migrant workers who are going to be boarding the train any minute from now. Bhai Sahab, आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं झारखंड में?
साहिबगंज जिला।
साहिबगंज जिला। तो आप इतने दिनों तक जहाँ रह रहे थे, वहाँ पे खाना वगैरह मिल रहा था आपको?
हाँ, मिल रहा था।
खाना मिल रहा था?
मिल रहा था।
फ्री में खाना मिल रहा था?
फ्री में भी मिल रहा था।
अच्छा, तो आपको ये जो मेडिकल चेकअप वगैरह होता है, आपका मेडिकल चेकअप हो रहा था?
हाँ, हो गया।
इससे पहले भी हुआ आपका मेडिकल चेकअप?
हाँ, मेडिकल
हुआ था। कितना हर हफ्ते होता था या 10 दिन में एक बार होता था?
वो 5 दिन 6 दिन में आता था।
आप लोगों का मेडिकल चेकअप होता था। अब आप जा रहे हैं घर पे सब लोग वेट कर रहे होंगे, आपके पास पैसा था टिकट खरीदने के लिए?
पैसा था टिकट खरीदने के लिए। So you had money, कितना लेके टिकट खरीदा? 875 रुपया। 875 rupees is the cost of the ticket. आप बताइए, आप यहाँ पे क्या काम करते थे?
मिस्त्री का काम कर रहे हैं।
मिस्त्री का काम। तो 1 महीने
में कर रहे थे मिस्त्री साथ में।
तो 1 महीने से कोई काम नहीं था?
हाँ, 1 महीने से काम नहीं।
एक बात बताइए, आपके हाथ में पैसा था ये टिकट खरीदने के लिए?
थोड़ा बहुत था तो दिया, टिकट खरीदने के लिए दिया।
घर पे सब कैसे हैं?
घर में सब ठीक है।
ठीक है। वापस आएंगे आप यहाँ पे?
आएंगे, लॉकडाउन खत्म हो जाएगा, पूरा इधर खत्म हो जाएगा तो आएंगे।
वापस आएंगे आप? So there you are. People are saying that they got their food. If a camera person can just pan this side and show inside, migrant laborers here saying they've got their food, they've got their medical screenings, and they will return once things become better. सर, एक बात बताइए, आप कितने का टिकट लेके जा रहे हैं यहाँ से?
यहाँ से जा रहे हैं 875 ले।
क्या काम करते थे यहाँ पे?
यहाँ मिस्त्री के साथ में हेल्पर का काम कर रहे थे।
तो हाथ में पैसा था टिकट खरीदने के लिए?
पैसा तो मतलब वो थोड़ा बचा के रखा हुआ था, तो वही पैसा से जा रहे हैं कि 2-3 हज़ार रुपया था उसमें, मतलब डेली राशन नहीं मिल रहा था खाने के लिए, उसी में थोड़ा थोड़ा लेकर खा रहे थे। और उसके बाद इधर ट्रेन दिया तो 1000 रुपया था, उसी से मतलब टिकट बना के जा रहे हैं।
चलिए ठीक है, आप वापस आएंगे?
वो इधर
सब ठीक हो गया तो?
ठीक होने के बाद वो आएंगे।
आएंगे।
हाँ।
So there you have people who are now returning homes. This is just the first batch from Thiruvananthapuram. Yesterday we had a batch from Ernakulam that went. Food being given, water being given, all of this being assured to the migrant workers.